guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kurt Ashing Adventures. And for today's video, mag-unbox na tayo ng ating Starbucks Tradition 2025. And for this year's Starbucks Tradition, guys, they all actually have 5 items. So the first one is the Starbucks Planner. Tapos they have 4 tumblers. One is the Turquoise Tumbler. Tapos the other one is the Indigo Tumbler. And they have cold mugs or cold cups, which is the turquoise din, at saka yung Indigo Cold Cup. So for those of you who are wondering kung paano kuhain yung mga Starbucks Traditions collectibles na ganito, all you have to do is, of course, go to Starbucks, tapos you have to buy any kind of drink nila, and it will be equivalent to 1 sticker. So yung sticker nila, it can be by a mobile app, or you can also get the sticker na manual or yung physical sticker na ibibigay nila if you say na gusto nyo mag-collect. So, pag mobile app yung gamit ninyo, make sure na nag-opt-in kayo doon sa kanilang collect stickers para ma-make sure na ma-credit yung mga stickers nyo per drink na bibilin nyo. So, any drink in Starbucks is 1 sticker and you have to collect 17 stickers para makakuha kayo ng 1 item. So, out of the 5, pwede kayo mamili kung ano yung gusto ninyong kuhain when you have the 17 stickers already. So now, let's open the first item, which is the planner. Ang tawag dito is the Sable Planner with pouch. So open muna natin siya, guys. This is the first one na nakuha ko. Actually, nag-start kasi yung collection of stickers back in November 2. So now, I'm filming this and it's already November 25. So, it took me 23 days para makomplete yung 5 items na to. So, ito yung una kong item na nakuha, which is the Sable Planner. So, ayan siya. So, it has a white box. Tapos, inside the box is of course, the planner. Ito siya. So, ayan. If you can see, meron siya ditong Starbucks logo na gold. Rose gold ang color. Tapos, if you'll open that, nasa loob niya yung planner itself. So, etong lagayan na to, this is the pouch. Ayan. Meron siya ditong maliit na bulsa. And then, the main compartment, ito yung lagayan ng inyong planner. Ang ganda niya kasi yung feel niya is like a leather. Leather yung made of niya. Ayan. So, buksan naman natin yung pinaka-planner. Ayan, may plastic pa yung planner. Oops. So, the planner, ang color niya is black and gold. Ayan, makikita nyo yung gold design niya. And sa gilid yung Starbucks logo. Very minimalistic yung design niya, kaya ang ganda niya. Very social ang dating ng planner nila. And of course, meron din siya ditong parang pang bookmark, which is a star. Ayan, makikita nyo. And also, it comes with a pen. Gold din yung pen niya. Ayan. The pen is color gold and it also has a Starbucks logo dito. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung mga pages ng planner. Oops. So, yan. Sa unang page, you'll get the Starbucks logo. Tapos, yung mga smaller calendars. And of course, meron siya mga picture or paintings sa mga monthly hati niya. Ayan. And yan, meron siyang monthly calendar. You can put your notes there. Tapos, meron siyang bigger part na pwede kang mas madaming isulat. Kasi the first one, maybe you can just put your reminders lang for every day. Tapos, this one, you can get more details kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin or accomplish in a day or what are your plans for the day. Ayan. So, maganda yung paper niya. Very good yung quality. So, I think I will use this one for my planner for 2025. Ayan. Yun lang, they still don't have yung mga discount voucher before. So, parang ika-third year na nila na hindi na nila nilalagyan ng mga discount vouchers yung kanilang planner. So, that's the Sable Starbucks planner with the pouch. And guys, sa pouch pala na to, this Starbucks logo, ito yung pinaka-lock ng pouch niya. And magnetic siya. So, madali lang siyang i-open and i-close. Ayan o. Magnetic siya. Ayan. So, for our next items, this is the Turquoise Tumbler and the Indigo Tumbler. So, almost same lang sila, pero magkaiba ng color. So, let's open both of them. So, ito yung Turquoise Tumbler. Ayan, oh, ang ganda ng color, diba? And it can hold your cold drinks or hot drinks din. Pwede siya. Kasi, ano siya, insulated yung tumbler na to. Ayan. Ayan. And the other one is almost the same lang. Iba lang yung color. This is the Indigo Tumbler naman. Let me just open this. Okay. So, ito naman yung color niya. Ayan, Indigo Tumbler. So, same sila. They can hold cold and hot drinks. Ayan, kasi insulated yung mga tumblers na to. So, maganda siya when you're traveling o kaya baon. Magmabaon kayo sa travel, magbabaon kayo pag nagda-drive, going to the office or going to school. Maganda tong dalawang to kasi insulated sila and naka-lock sila. Hindi sila yung spill-proof sila. Hindi sila matatapon. Okay? So, for the last items, ito naman yung dalawa nating cold cup, yung turquoise and of course yung indigo din. So, let's open them. So, ito yung una is the turquoise. Ayan. Ayan. So, this is the Turquoise Cold Cup. Ayan, meron siyang straw na color tortoise. Tapos, ano siya, nag-gradient siya ng tortoise and medyo pinkish. Ayan. Para siyang, wicked. Diba? Ayan. So, spill-proof din to na mag. Kaya lang, syempre dahil may straw, hindi mo siya pwedeng matumba-tumba kasi matatapon dito sa butas ng straw. But, spill-proof din yung kanyang takip. And of course, ayan, malalim siya, mataas yung ating cold mug. Open naman natin yung indigo. So, almost similar din sila ng itsura dito sa first cold cup, pero this one is indigo. Yun lang yung kaibahan niya, yung color. Ayan. Ito naman yung Indigo Cold Cup. Ayan, meron din siyang gradient ng indigo and gold. Tapos yung kanyang straw is indigo. Ayan. So, same sila ng size. Parehas naman sila ng height ng tortoise. And this one, nakikita nyo yung logo ng Starbucks ang nasa kanya. This one naman is nakasulat yung pangalan ng Starbucks. So, yun yung difference nilang dalawa. Ayan. So, all these items, except for the planner, kasi I'll be using the planner unless I can get another one, is ipaparaffle ko. So, ito yung mga mechanics, how to join the raffle. Isa-isay natin. So guys, this items na nakuha ko for the Starbucks Tradition 2025 is ipaparaffle ko sa mga lucky subscribers and followers natin. So, ang gagawin natin, we'll get one winner for each platform. So, meron tayong YouTube, we have TikTok, we have Instagram and Facebook. So, isang winner per platform yung kukunin natin. So, paano ba mag-join sa ating raffle or giveaway? First, make sure na naka-follow kayo or naka-subscribe kayo sa ating channel. If you want to join lang sa one platform, you can choose anong platform yung sasalihan ninyo. Kunwari, you want to join lang sa YouTube, you have to follow the steps. Number 1, for YouTube, ang una-una nyong gagawin is of course, subscribe to our channel, Turquoise Adventures, and then make sure na nag-like kayo dito sa post na to, and next is to comment sa video na to kung ano yung favorite ninyo na item out of the 5 Starbucks Traditions 2025 collection. And let us know bakit gusto ninyo yon. Next platform naman, if you want to join sa Facebook platform, make sure na naka-follow kayo sa aming official Facebook page, Turquoise Adventures, and also sa aking personal Facebook, which is Heckle Enriquez Tulab. Doon kasi ako nagbibigay ng mga updates and other videos about our travels. Next, kapag nakapag-follow na kayo sa Facebook account namin, make sure that you like the raffle posting, yung post about this raffle, and also comment din kung ano yung gusto ninyong item out of the Starbucks Tradition 2025 collection, and make sure na nagtag kayo ng 2 of your friends, and also share the post sa inyong Facebook wall. So, sa ating third platform, which is the Instagram. So, sa Instagram naman, all you have to do is to follow our Instagram account and then like the post about this raffle giveaway. And then, comment ulit kung ano yung favorite nyo na item and why. And also, you have to repost it in your Instagram story. Yun. So, follow, like, comment, and repost in your story sa Instagram naman. And lastly, para sa ating TikTok platform naman, make sure syempre naka-follow ulit kayo sa ating official TikTok account. Tapos, you have to like yung raffle posting natin. And then, you have to comment ano ulit yung favorite nyo out of all the items, and repost our post about the raffle. So if you do that, you'll earn 1 raffle entry for each platform. If you want to join sa isang platform lang, that's okay. But if you want to join para mas madami kayong chances of winning, you can join in all the platforms. And also, you have to use the hashtag Turquoise Adventures SB Traditions 2025 giveaway. Yun yung ating official hashtag, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you have to use that hashtag sa inyong comments and pag-share nyo din yung ating post. Again, the hashtag is Turquoise Adventures SB Tradition 2025 giveaway. That's the official hashtag. And also, you can also use our hashtag Turquoise Adventures at saka yung Lakwatcherong Pinoys. That's our group kasi. Okay? So, sa lahat ng magko-comment and magpo-follow ng instructions na sinabi ko sa inyo on how to join the raffle, you will earn 1 raffle entry. And if you want to join all the platforms, again, pwede kayong mag-join sa lahat ng platform. And pipili ako ng isang winner per platform. Kaya if you want more chances of winning, syempre, join na kayo sa lahat ng platform natin. So, the official announcement of winners, magla-live kami on December 8, guys. December 8 ng anytime, basta mag-announce kami kung anong oras kami magla-live for the raffle. Isang live lang yung gagawin namin in YouTube and Facebook. Tapos, i-announce namin kung sino yung mga winners for each platform. So, make sure na maka-join agad kayo dito sa ating raffle kasi ang deadline of submissions will be the day before ng live natin. So, that's December 7, yung ating deadline. And then, the live or the raffle itself will take place on December 8. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll all join dito sa ating raffle giveaway promo para sa ating giveaway ng mga Starbucks Tradition 2025 collections. And make sure to hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel, follow us in TikTok and Facebook, and also in Instagram, Kurt Ashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time, goodbye!